That freaked me all the fuck the way out. Good morning, you guys. Happy Tuesday. Tuesday, October the 20th. Is that it? 19th. Shit, I only know what day it is. The 19th. Anyway, I have been up working on my spreadsheet for work. I'm actually watching our annual curriculum. I'll wait till the last minute. It's due on October 31st. So I've been up watching that. I also was talking on the phone with Keisla. She was helping me fix some Facebook issues that I was having with my Facebook. And talking with her, we figured it out. So that's great. I'm about to get ready to hop in the shower and get dressed because my old boss' birthday was on October the 17th. So I'm going to take him to lunch for as a birthday lunch. So he loves Cracker Barrel, so we're going to Cracker the Barrel. Y'all see my little hair right there? I didn't know what that was just then. And so that's what we're going to do. And then when I come back from a lunch, I'm going to continue trying to work on this spreadsheet and see if I can get it uploaded. But I really need to talk to, where's my phone? I heard it go off. I need to talk to the guy at work, our little Epic people, because I need help with one section of the spreadsheet. I think it's going to be called the cost center, but I don't know if that's what the name of it is. And he hasn't answered me back today, so I need them to answer me. Like, what y'all doing? So I'm probably about to text them, show them a picture of the spreadsheet and be like, I got all the cost centers in there, but I need to know what goes in this column. And I'm assuming it's going to be called cost center, like, because that's what it is. But they should have like a drop down, but I guess maybe it's not always going to be called that. So that's the only thing I can't figure out. And if I figure that out, then I can upload that into the system. And then I'll be done with one of my tasks. And then another task is like my AR codes and my general ledger numbers. I probably could go ahead and do those because I think they've all been finalized and I can upload what I have. So I'm gonna confirm that with them, and then hopefully I can get a lot of stuff done today because, like I said, I'm off Thursday to next Thursday, so for 7 days. And so I really want to get as much as I can done today and tomorrow. Yesterday I didn't get too much done because of frustration trying to figure that out, like you saw last night, and also me having all those meetings yesterday. So yeah, but that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm about to get in the shower and get ready, and I'll come back and check with you guys in a minute. So I'm getting ready to head out. This is my outfit of the day. Head to toe, well, head to jeans is Amari Rose, earrings, necklace, shirt, jeans, jacket, and my shoes are from Belk. They're by Jelly Pop. And even my purse is from my first collection. No longer available, but I do have a black clutch that will go perfect with this outfit. I still have some of these shirts available from the first launch, and then these jeans are gone, unfortunately, but I do have them in a white. The jacket, I think I just sold the last one, but I have a cream color jacket that will also look good with this as well. But I'm headed out to eat lunch, so I will check in with you guys in a few minutes. Oh my God, he's trying to go into the bathroom. I'm trying to see if I can find like a bucket to like trap him in. Hold on, don't come out. I just came back in the house because I was on the way to lunch with one of my co-workers, my old boss. And my son called me, asked me did I know there was a snake in the house. I was like, a snake? So I come home and there's a freaking snake in the hallway, you guys. I've been living here 15 years. I've never seen a snake like in the fucking house or in the vicinity of the house. See, I caught him in this bucket, but I don't know how to get him out of here. Like, the only thing I can think of is to slide him on this rug, like when Reggie gets here, but the rug is not long enough to keep him in the container. Like, we need something to slip under there, you know, how, so you can pick it up and carry him out. You know what I'm talking about? So, I don't know what we would be able to slide up under there without letting him out. I don't even know if it's a poisonous snake. I don't give a fuck. He needs not to be in here. I know that. I'm about to call every exterminator that I know. And they about to bomb this whole house. And everything must die. You hear me? Everything. Everything gotta die. Because this shit here, right here, I can't do it. I can't fucking do it, you guys. I'm fucking terrified. I can't do it. This shit is crazy. And my son came out and he was like, I thought it was a prank. I'm like, boy, I ain't never buying no snake as no prank. Hell no. I don't do that kind of pranking. Now I'll jump out and yell at you, but I ain't gonna put little bugs and spiders and shit everywhere. I can't do it. I can't do it. My heart. And I was like, no, boy. And so I turned around. Luckily, I wasn't too far from the house. And luckily, I had that cure bucket in my office from when I was doing the pop-up shop. Because clearly, I ain't cleaned up my office. Which, there you go. I didn't need to clean it up. Because clearly, I needed that damn bucket. And so he's in the bucket. But now we got to figure out how to get him out of the bucket and out of the house somewhere. Now, I know you animal lovers be like, don't kill him, don't kill him. But if he can't get out of here without being dead, then he's just gonna be fucking dead. That I can tell you that for sure, okay? Deader than a doorknob, deader than a snake. But anyway, I'll be back to let you guys know what happened. My God, you guys, I am sweating like a stock pig. I'm trying to make sure my underarms aren't wet. I put some more deodorant on. I have a nervous tick, so I did trap. You saw the snake inside the little plastic box thing. And while I was waiting for my old boss to come and help me get it out of the house, I was sweeping and cleaning up, because y'all know when my nerves bad, I just clean and sweep and stuff. Like, I don't know what to do. Like, hurry up. And so we're headed back out to lunch, because I still need to eat. And my son's at home, and I told him, you know, just watch out. Hopefully that was like a one occurrence, and he just got in maybe one day when we had the door open for whatever reason. Maybe I was working on something, or he slid in. I don't know. I don't think it's any holes or anywhere, but I am going to call somebody and kind of like tell them the situation, and maybe I need to pay for just like some kind of bug, rodent, snake, pesticide, some child. I don't know. But that freaked me all the fuck the way out. Oh my God. And then, so we literally had to take like, so I slid this big poster board up under it to trap it between the poster board and the plastic bin. And when I tell you I was carrying it out and it just kept trying to strike me through the bin, I was hollering, y'all, like screaming the whole way out the door. Like, I was like, don't drive it, it's gonna get me. And he was just, I mean, the snake was just furious. He was just slithering around and banging against the plastic. I promise you guys, I was screaming like to the top of my lungs, even though it's trapped, because I knew he was gonna drop it and it was gonna get me and I was gonna die, y'all. Oh, Jesus, my nerves. My motherfucking nerves. I need a whole chill pill, like a real chill pill. This shit here, oh my God, y'all. My God. And thank God that my son, it wasn't dark when it happened. Like, my son walked out of his room. He just walked out of his room and he saw a fucking snake. And I was like, Jesus. And so, oh, y'all, my nerves are so freaking bad. Like, literally. I'm over here like, oh, Jesus. Y'all, feel so bad right now. So, yeah, so that was my eventful. If that ain't some eventful shit for y'all ass on this vlog, that was some eventful shit. You hear me? A snake was in my house, minding his own motherfucking business, slithering the fuck around. He lucky, because he, man, I'm telling you, I would have had a hatchet or something. I would have hatched his ass slap up. But yeah, so we got him out the house, and he didn't die, you guys. For all your little animal lovers, don't kill the animals. Like I said, I ain't give a damn. If he was gonna die, he was gonna die to get up out of my house. But we just took him like to the edge of my property and let him out, and then we made sure he went into the woods and didn't bring his ass back toward the house. And I think after I think he's traumatized. I'm traumatized. My old boss was freaking laughing at me, screaming and hollering. And my son was looking so great. I'm like, well, you ain't holding the bucket, boy. He only volunteered was to open the door. He told me, I'll open the door for y'all. Really? So yeah, oh my goodness, y'all, that's crazy though. So we are headed to lunch at the Cracker Barrel. But I just had to tell y'all what happened, y'all. I just had to tell y'all. So now I'm over here crazy. I don't know what this glare is coming from, but that was some shit. That was some shit, you guys. Alright, you guys, I'm finished with the Cracker Barrel. Y'all, don't know if I was hungry or if I just ain't ate good in a while, but that I had the sweet maple bacon grilled chicken plate with broccoli and sweet baby carrots. Man, that shit was so damn good. I mean, the chicken was juicy and tender. They cooked that shit to perfection. Do you hear me? That was the bomb. Now I'm headed back home. Me and my old boss, we was just having stories about what we've been up to. He's taken me fishing before, and so he was talking about, you still haven't gone fishing with me to Mobile. So I got to get that on my calendar. He gonna have a fit. So but you know, y'all know I fish, but I don't like to put the worm on the hook, so he gonna have to do that for me. But other than that, I think I caught 2 fish last time we was together. But so yeah, we was just talking about that, and then he was talking about, he's like, I just didn't see you as a person who would go camp. I know you don't have on your right turn signal and you ain't turned it right. Oh, it's a car in front of him, baby, because I was just gonna say, he said, well, I never would have thought you was somebody who would go camping. I was like, really? Why not? And he was like, I don't know. It just didn't seem like something you were doing. Like, baby, I be camping all the time. Oh, hell no. I ain't going that way. That traffic is atrocious. We might have to just go straight. I can't get on the highway, not with all that traffic. They still working on the road. They finally, you guys, they finally started paving this freaking road. It's taking them 2,900,000 years. But they're finally doing it. But I don't feel like getting stuck in that traffic, so I'm gonna go down around this back way. Right quick. But yeah, I'm heading home. I am stuffed. And I emailed and texted that epic guy, and he didn't tell me nothing about. He ain't answer my question. But I thought Ben said he was off. He said you off Thursday, Friday. He said you off Thursday, Friday. So I don't know why he ain't answer my question. I'm offended. I am offended. I asked you a question. I expect you to answer me. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So yeah. But anyway, I'll be back. I'll be back when I get to the house. I have my pencil. I don't think I have my phone in here. Thought I did. Anyway, you guys, the little one is back from school. She's spoiled. Anyway, I'm finished with work for today. I got 3 orders I need to pack, and I need to edit this video for tonight. So I'm gonna chill for like 5-10 minutes, and then we're gonna get back to working workola. Working on the business. So yep, that's what I'm doing right now. Nothing too much going on tonight. We already had one good adventure for the day. Tomorrow's back to a bunch of meetings, and I'm off Thursday and Friday, so no meetings. And then I forgot Saturday, supposed to go to the pumpkin patch, and I forgot my baby's birthday party is Saturday afternoon, so we'll go after the pumpkin patch. I think we're gonna go to the pumpkin patch from like 10 to 2, be home about 3, maybe 10 to 1, have a couple hours between the 4 o'clock birthday party. Because I'm not really going to play at the birthday party. Jalen will, though, because that girl don't care. She finna jump and play on everything, as you can see for the last birthday party we went to theirs. Was it a birthday party? No, it was my great nephew's birthday party. So, yeah. But anyway, she going to find her something to play with and some cake to eat. So, yeah, that's what we're going to have a busy day on Saturday. So, that's what I'm doing. So, I'm going to take about 10 minutes rest right quick. And then we're going to get back to the side hustle. Pack orders. Edit videos. Alright, you guys, it's currently like 8 something. It's 9 o'clock, and I am in my pajamas about to get in the bed. Sorry I didn't come back. So I did finish editing the vlog. I did work on some stuff on my computer, and I forgot I needed to talk to my partner. We're hosting the book club for next month, so we were talking strategy, theme, trying to find either a venue or some rental stuff to kind of carry out our theme, and then we're going to wear coordinated outfits, like all that kind of stuff. So we spent on the phone for about an hour, you know, just trying to come up with ideas and good stuff. I think we have a really good base and a really good start. You know, all kind of fall into place tomorrow when I find out the answers to some questions. So she's gonna do some research, I'm gonna do some research, and so yeah, that's what we're doing. But I'm about to call it a night, so So I had a very eventful day, as you guys know. So I think the stress of it all is kind of making my bones ache and tired. So I'm about to lay it down. So I will see you guys mañana. Deuces.